You have to turn the generator up to your left.
Left.
You hear it? That red, big red.
Oh boy.
That's not good.
Start kicking, baby.
go
Start kicking. What's he doing?
Kick!
He's tweaking. Hold it. Hold it.
Alright, a level 0, a level 8, and a level 0. We got a chance. I'm ready. Do I just, am I spamming to get out?
Yeah, spam it.
Well, to make noise, but fuck it. Anything in there?
Yep.
You know.
You know. They just climbed in a freezer.
I didn't mean to. I thought I was going into, I thought I was trying to find something. How do I stop? How do I stop
I just
sprinting?
ran behind this guy. This guy bad? The fuck?
I don't know, bro.
Happening?
Johnny up here.
Dealing with Leatherface. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Dude, he's bad, bro. He's really bad. Oh, here you are. Oh, never mind. That's Johnny, level 0.
I heard somebody.
Oh, what's up, bro?
Leatherface is coming back downstairs.
I got you, friend.
Focus on me.
Oh, did you just heal me? Thanks, bro. I was full, but oh,
My screen
Oh,
is just
shit.
fucking orange.
maybe go back the other way.
Oh,
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh shit! God damn it!
are you dead?
No,
Oh,
I'm
shit.
good. I'm good. They're
Go,
just,
Vin, go.
They're just so bad, dude.
You know about here.
Vin, go.
Dude, they're so bad.
Chilling right here.
I am in a freezer.
Go outside.
Yeah. I'm going back to the other
Did you
side.
use your ability?
No, I just want.
Cook just ran into the
Where you at, Pete?
shock.
I just watched him run into the shock. I think
Oh,
he knows
okay,
where
alright.
I'm at.
Let me get Johnny. I got Johnny.
I don't know. Where's this taking me?
Oh shit! What's up, bro?
Taking you to the generator that you can turn off.
I got it.
What are you doing?
Already.
He's fucking with them. For the longest time.
I'm not using my arrows.
Yeah.
Reese, are you playing Boom Beach?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, yay. Supercell never misses. I'll hop back on and see what my beach is looking like.
I did definitely not installed. I thought
Dude, don't
my
talk
last
about
iPhone.
your beach like that.
Just
Boom beach. Come with a plan or leave in defeat. Now I gotta hop on my heyday, see how my farm's doing.
What the fuck is that?
Jesus. Pick up your controller.
Is there a fucking helicopter?
Fucking motorboat in your room, bro. One's starting the lawnmower.
Alright, so
That was such a long vibration.
so are these guys gonna smoke us?
Level 0 cook gives us hope. But...
Ooh.
What's up, Conzoid?
Oh, bro.
Someone's
Fucking
behind
I'll
me.
carry a help with
Speaker.
us just in case.
How many bones
Johnny found my
scraps can I
footprints, so
disarm?
they're down here, Vin.
Who's on you?
Johnny,
shit.
Johnny, 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 Johnny.
Leather's on me.
I'm out of stamina, so this is not good.
Really? I can take some
Yep.
hits.
I'm dead.
No, like dead?
Definitely dead.
Oh,
Yep.
fuck. Damn it.
The fuses?
Nope, not a clue.
Well, there's a fuse in between the sheds.
I'll be out
Oh,
there.
fuck.
Spectate you.
Fuses in
Sorry, you
between the
spelled my
sheds,
footprints.
so...
I'd go now.
No way. Are you serious? Fuck, I'm poisoned.
Generator side?
Shit, I think Johnny's downstairs with Peyton.
Johnny's
actually.
on me.
Fuck. Someone's on you. I hear him. Yep.
Yep.
Fuck. You're out of stamina. Nice, nice. Good play. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Oh,
hey, bud.
I think in the right place. The door did slam, so they might
If
not-
you lead
You
him,
can-
Peyton, or
You can be fucked.
Vinny, if he gets in the clear, that's what he should do. Crack away to the generator side.
Through that crack. Good, good, good. I don't know this map down here enough to like even lead him somewhere.
Fuck, man. Johnny's just chipping me away.
They're
damn.
just
I'm gonna do it, Spence, just in case he
Okay.
passes
Left,
you.
left,
Yeah.
left. Go back, go back, go back, go back.
It's
go
the
back,
left
go
door,
back.
not the right door is open. The left door.
Yeah, through there.
Okay.
Get out here.
Gotcha.
And go up.
He's coming back. Johnny's coming back.
Nice, there you go. Uh-oh.
They're coming back
So-
to me?
Yep.
I
Yep.
haven't.
You need me to
Nice,
do
nice.
anything? Turn something off?
Nope.
Okay, good job.
that
Which
was
side, where do you
intense.
guys go?
I don't know how to get there.
You're on the right
Guide me left, straight.
Right.
Oh, is it those two?
Yeah, right. Alright.
You have to turn the generator up to your left.
Left.
You hear it? That red, big red?
Oh boy.
That's not good.
Start kicking,
You gotta
baby.
go
Start
for it.
kicking. What's he doing? He's tweaking. Hold it, hold it.
That's the first button thing. That's the first thing you have to tap. I thought I just tapped it.
Shoot that quick. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was just like lagged or something.
Yes.
No, I was spamming that bitch. Oh, these guys are good. These guys are good. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going. Do you know
We're
what,
gonna get
honestly,
Peyton out this game.
do you know how I found my way out? Is I looked at the wall and I read the exit signs and where they were pointing.
Really? I've never done
That's-
that.
You still trying to make those villagers have sex?
Oh, yep. There's.
Where do you want me to go, Spence?
I can get one.
Two? What is my RB do?
That's your ability, so you can hear people through walls.
Uh-oh, Peyton, run!
Oh, what the fuck?
Jesus.
Oh,
I'm
shit.
just running away.
Peyton, go through this crack right over here. Oh, shit. Okay, no, you're good. Just hop over that thing. Yeah, you got it. Oh.
Fuck, I just ran into him, bro.
Nice, baby.
Is he on me still?
Oh, he's on me.
Fucker.
I just got
there
the
a crouch
freezer in
button?
front of him.
Or do you...
Yeah, B.
Oh, Spencer, when you're doing this tool, do you just spam X?
Yeah.
Oh, if you're distracted,
shit.
yeah, I'm getting this.
Oh, watch out. He's coming. He might
I know.
come get you.
Fuse is in between the shed
Oh,
again.
I have two,
Okay.
Spence, I can use one.
Are we for real right
Vince,
now?
I don't know where-
He's over there.
Fuck, Spence, he's
Oh,
on us.
hop over that thing. I'll just hope he doesn't.
He hit me.
Wow, he didn't even go for me. Okay.
I can get.
Motherfucker, dude.
You guys want me to get fused? You can stay downstairs.
Sure. Yeah, we're right next to it,
fuck,
so.
he's just- Really?
Yeah. Reese, open it. I'm gonna die if you don't. Holy shit.
I see him. I see it.
Yep. Just oh wait, you don't have enough health. They're blocking the door, Reese, so. Yeah, fuck.
This might be
Damn
a
it.
lost cause.
That's okay. I'll take a chance.
It's gonna close.
Oh,
in
he
a sec.
swung at you. What an idiot.
Yeah, I'm gonna go through this way. I'll show you. Stay in here.
Yep, right over there. Through that crack in the wall, far right. Oh, what the fuck that guy's doing?
Motherfucker. Alright.
That gas up inside right there? Don't panic, you're good, bro.
I'm panicking.
was like, what's happening?
If it would like make you scream or something and really give away your spot.
Your spot's already
Yeah.
given up.
They were
Yeah.
so far away from you.
Yeah. Good one to end on, though. We all escaped.
We didn't. I died.
You liar.